Hey guys, how you doing? Big John with J Custom Builds. Happy Saturday. So I got the starter on Christmas Eve. I believe it was Christmas Eve. Yeah, and Christmas Day we were just out and about visiting family. We really didn't do much. I hope your guys' Christmas was great, by the way. And then Friday I worked on the computer all day. So I wanted to talk to you guys about something really quick. But first, let me show you what I got going on today. So I had to take this off one time before to, I don't know what I was doing. Anyways, I had to take that off again because I was dealing with the starter. You can see that this got chewed up pretty bad. And then I've taken off the outer primary cover and the derby cover probably about 4 or 5 times already. You could tell that they need to be changed. I don't want to Sal to call me and say, oh, I got leaks here and there. So I went to Harley today, visited some of my old buddies that I used to work with, and picked up these 3 gaskets. So we're going to get these on today. So let's get this girl off of here. Yeah, it was just pinched. Look at that. It was pinched just way too much. And it lost most of the metal's still there, right? But I just don't want to take the chance. So use a nice Brillo pad to clean this baby off real quick. All right, guys, so we cleaned this up with some Brillo. We blew it out, and so let's get ready to put this baby on there. Get some Loctite on the bolts here. All right, let's get this baby on there. Let's make sure we get it on there evenly. Okay, guys, when you get the filler on there, you want to get the 2 top bolts started, right? And then you want to make sure that it's aligned perfectly on the bottom before you get the other 2 bolts in there. What I did is I pulled it back a little bit, got my flashlight, looked over the top. It's on there perfectly. I tighten them down evenly to where they're like barely touching. So these are 1/4-20s, and you could go from 108 to 120 inch-pounds. All right, guys, filler's connected, starter's in. Wires are all connected up here. No battery in. Got the oil line, the return line back in there. Let's check the other side. All right, guys, I'm gonna clean this baby up a little bit before I put all this back together. Just wanted to spray that off, make sure there was no, like any particles or any parts in there. Now I'm gonna blow it off really quick.